Hi guys, what advice for pharmacists do you have who want to implement CPCS successfully?
So I guess the advice we'd give to pharmacists is it's about understanding what happens in 111 and understanding the types of patients that you're going to get sent through. So I guess for me it's about remembering that it's not just about solving the problems that come your way. You're going to get some patients that you can definitely manage in a community pharmacy sent through as part of NHS CPCS. You're going to have some people that you definitely need to escalate to another location, so for example a GP practice. But then there's a group of people in the middle where they actually need a bit of management, a bit of safety netting, they need some advice, and actually they can always come back to see the pharmacist if things don't get better or if they get worse. So for me it's about understanding the three segments there. It isn't just about solving every problem that is sent to you by NHS 111. It's about escalation, it's about managing that patient and giving them all the advice they need to finish their consultation successfully.
The other thing that's really important for pharmacists to consider is to put themselves in the shoes of the call handlers at NHS 111. And we've got to bear in mind that the call handlers aren't clinically trained, and also they're really working blind because all they're doing with the patient is speaking to them on the telephone. Whereas the advantage we have in our community pharmacy consultation room is that we can actually see the patient. So sometimes the call handler will send the patient across to the pharmacy, and the pharmacist will think, well, why have they sent this patient? But it's because the pharmacist is ideally located and positioned with all the clinical expertise that the community pharmacist has, and also they can see the patient. It gives them the advantage.
Is the £14 fee appropriate? Is it the right level? Well, it's the level we've agreed at, and actually it's the level that, it feels right. It feels right. It's the same as the NUMSAS was, it was the same as the fee for DMERS. But actually for us, I guess it's not really the most important question right now. This is a service that could open the door on a future for community pharmacy, a new clinical future. And I guess there's more stuff that is going to come through this route in the future, so it's going to become more important. So for us it's less about the fee that is paid today, and it's more about the future and what this could mean for the sector. So if later on, for example, we get more conditions through this route, we could get PGDs to give out nitrofurantoin for treating UTIs, for example. That's a lot of referrals that could come through this route.
Well, actually, it's working really, really well in the North East, and the services that community pharmacists and the locums coming in are providing in all the community pharmacies is absolutely off the scale. They're brilliant, they're doing really, really well.